2004 GMC Envoy, 40,000 original miles, 4x4. This is the XUV. Running boards. Amazing condition. Tow package. This video will take a little bit because we're going to show you everything that this vehicle has on it. Moonroof. 2004 XUV, 40,000 miles, 4x4. Fog lights. Seats are in immaculate condition. Interior's like new. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Power seats. 4x4. 40,805 miles at the time of the video. Second row seats. Okay, now we're going to show you what this vehicle is really is. This is such a super cool vehicle. So the power window goes down. It turns into basically a truck. Alright, and Rudy's now going to put down the rear window. This window. And then this. Sorry. And then this turns into a complete truck. So basically you have a complete truck. Very, very super cool vehicle. Alloy wheels. Tires are like new. (2004) GMC Envoy XUV 4x4, 40,000 original miles in like new condition.